Why are my French doors leaking? French doors can leak due to various causes, such as deteriorated weather stripping, improper installation, or strong winds pushing against them. If your home has a set of these stylish yet resilient double-door units which are starting to leak, it's important to take appropriate action as soon as possible in order to avoid costly repairs down the line. In this video, we will examine why your French doors may have started releasing moisture into the interior spaces and provide you with effective advice for preventing future leaks from taking place. French door leaking around the glass? This type of leak problem is often caused by improper installation, poor seals, or inadequate weatherproofing on your French doors. Even when sealed properly and maintained regularly, air can still be difficult to escape from between the frames and panes due to their unique design structure, which in turn leaves you liable for costly damage repairs if not addressed quickly. Fortunately, one can take several simple yet effective measures to ensure that these pesky issues are manageable. Some of these are: check for visible signs of damage on the frame, seals and gaskets. Inspect all weather stripping around the glass to ensure that it is intact and free from holes or tears which could allow water in. Replace any faulty components, such as age-deteriorated glazing compound or caulk around the window opening to prevent future leaks. If necessary, install additional flashing strips at penetration points where air, water can quickly enter through seams between sash elements and corresponding frames. Utilize a silicone sealant along your perimeter windows posts and casements instead of an elastomeric joint tape. Sealants will remain permanently flexible. French doors leaking when it rains? Inspect external trim seals around windows and doors regularly for signs of deterioration. Check that interior-exterior caulking surrounding frame joints are fully intact. Ensure threshold sealant has been applied correctly at the bottom edge. Make sure manufacturer guidelines have installed perimeter insulation boards. Look for gaps between sections where two leaves meet. Fill using foam backer rod and caulk. Why are my French doors not sealing properly? Your French doors may need to be sealed correctly if the weather stripping is damaged, improperly installed, or worn down over time. Weather stripping helps create an airtight seal between two surfaces. It prevents water leaks by filling any gaps caused by the expansion-contraction of material due to temperature changes. Suppose these strips are torn, old, or missing altogether. In that case, it will cause a break in the barrier, allowing warm air out during winter months and cool air to escape during summertime, which can lead to drafty rooms with high energy bills. How to prevent French doors from leaking? One of the most effective ways to prevent French doors from leaking is by ensuring that all components used in their installation are designed for outdoor use. This includes door frames, seals, and hinges should be made from material such as PVC or aluminium rather than wood, which can easily succumb to moisture damage over time. Additionally, check regularly for any signs of wear on exterior surfaces like paint chips. Check the door seals, install weather stripping around each side of the frame, use top sweep gaps, or invest in threshold gaskets. How to stop water coming in under French doors? Sealing the bottom of French doors keeps out drafts and improves energy efficiency, but also helps protect against water damage from rain and snow. 1. Apply a weather strip around all four sides where two leaves meet and any missed areas when initially installing the doors. 2. Use caulk liberally on each side panel joint to ensure no air leakage occurs over time, which could lead to condensation issues later down the line. 3. Install threshold seals inside and outside surfaces. Use pre-cut lengths according to manufacturer instructions. How do you waterproof French doors? Apply sealant or caulk on both sides of the opening where air could pass through. Use silicone-based caulking inside corners and joints for additional protection if needed. Add weather stripping along edges that may be exposed to rainwater, like top thresholds. What is the best material to use to seal French doors? The best material to seal French doors is a silicone-based caulk. It has superior adhesion and flexibility, making it the ideal option when dealing with temperature changes or expanding, contracting materials like wood frames and glass panes. Silicone also offers excellent water resistance that prevent the warping of components over time due to moisture seeping in through cracks between panels. Special considerations for French doors in windy areas. 1. Selecting materials that are resistant to strong winds and driving rain. 2. Installing protective seals around window edges. 3. Ensuring proper anchoring systems are installed during fitting. 4. Fixing the door hinges securely onto the walls. 5. Adding stone thresholds at ground level. What is the most effective way of insulating French doors? The most effective way to insulate French doors is to choose energy-efficient materials and ensure that the frame around the door has a tight seal. Insulated glass, such as double or triple-paned windows with low emissivity, low-heat coating, will help keep heat in during winter months while also blocking some ultraviolet rays from entering your home. Weather stripping can be used along any seams between the frames of both sides of each panel, creating an airtight barrier against drafts and moisture infiltration. Finally, adding foam insulation panels inside hollow core doors helps further reduce sound transfer through gaps and increase thermal efficiency.